Hello and welcome to another update video about GRT, the graph. Also one of the coins which has so far held our support. It's one of the charts again that I don't like so much, and the reason is that the movement of the December lows looks like a three-way structure. It looks corrective, yeah, and I'm charting this as an ABC structure. I do that whenever things are rather unclear, because this is not a 5-wave move to the upside. And if it is, it's a very unclear one. So I'm rather labeling this as an A wave, the move down here as a B wave, which probably bottomed, and the move up as a C wave, which is to come. This is a slightly less bullish setup than a 1-2 setup, because it suggests that the move up is only a C wave and not, you know, a 1, 2 and then a 3 with a 4 and a 5 to come. So it is a bit less clear, it's a bit nebulous. I still think though, if the altcoins are going to deliver further upside, which I think they should based on their setups, yeah, then this would also rally in a C wave, in a 5-wave move. But then the moment of truth comes afterwards, right? So an AB setup does not really differ from a 1-2 setup. It only differs in what comes after the C wave. In a more bullish setup, you have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and then a 4 and a 5. In an AB setup, it is very much possible to have A, B, C, and then make a new low. Or A, B, C, this would be a wave 1 in a certain structure, a diagonal, and you could then still come down in 3 waves afterwards. So that's why it has it leaves the option open for a more bearish outcome, let's say it like that. Okay, but short term, as long as support levels are holding, we can focus here on higher. Also, the Fibonacci support levels did hold here. This one, then we rallied in a wave 1, an impulse, came down in a wave 2, hit the golden ratio and reacted already to it, right? So at the moment, we could also be watching that we might be possibly already in the 3rd wave rally here. Very early days, yeah, very, very early days. But let's say we are, what would be the target for this 3rd wave? Hey, we're looking for the 1.618 extension at 24.2 cents as a minimum for this 3rd wave. And then there should be a 4th and a 5th. Important would be here to obviously hold the low that was made this week. So if I zoom in a little bit, we talk here about the 27th of March low. That is at 12.9 cents. So as long as that's holding, we can focus on higher. If it breaks below that level, it might still retest the 12-cent level. Below 12 cents, this setup will get very, very unreliable, right? Because then it will probably retest and might break the 10th of March low. Ideally, we want to avoid that. Yeah, ideally, we want to avoid that. So for now, it's holding though, and if the other coins are delivering what they have in their charts, yeah, as sort of potential, then GRT has a good chance to do the same. Okay, and the target should be okay. Target should be well known. Invalidation point for this wave 2 is the 10.5 cent level, which is that 10th of March low. But it is going to get very likely that it will get invalidated if it breaks below that 12-cent level. Ideally, it avoids breaking that. Yeah, there is not much more to add. The only other thing I would like to add is maybe a target here for the C wave, yeah, because we've got the entire A wave, the B wave down. What is actually the target for having all 5 waves in the C wave complete? Well, we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave. The first target would be 28.7 cents. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. It's not too much of an, well, okay, the first, let's say, likely target for a C wave is actually the 61.8 extension. But that doesn't really add up with the subdivisions. So I don't think we should stop there. That's at 21.8 cents. Could do though. But ideally, I'd be looking for at least the 1-to-1 ratio. That's 28.7 cents. And in a more extended, more bullish scenario, the 40-cent level in the C wave. So shows you what's possible. But obviously, the bulls need to deliver this. And on the way up, the first resistance is the wave 1 high at 17.5 cents. afterwards the B wave high at 18.6 cents, and then the A wave high at 23 cents. Okay, that's my update about GRT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.